it may not be quite done. However, if you notice here on the side or in the corners, there's some dried protein powder that hasn't been mixed in. All you gotta do, just grab something that you're comfortable with applying to the plastic and just scoop it from the inside. So we're just gonna do that. First side, just kind of nudge it along. Nudge it along. Oh. Just kind of help it get mixed in. Oh damn, this side really didn't feel like it. Don't need to be perfect. It's okay if you miss a little bit, but of course, you just want to try and get it best you can. You don't want to spend too long or else it'll warm up because of the ice melting and doing what ice does. And you're done. Just went from like that much to almost the entire thing. It does vary how much ice you add. Maybe added like a gram too little of the xanthan gum, but for the most part, just take out your blades, clean off your blades, go ahead and eat it. It's very filling, and the macros are great. Just a little under 150 calories for all of that. And personally, I would use it as a meal replacement. And the best part is, most proteins you can get from GNC taste really good. If you don't like it, you can return it, and all you need is the receipt. And they normally have like 50 to 70 servings, so you'll spend approximately $50 for a tub of protein powder, and you'll end up using it for a while. Feel free to get other flavors like this. So the other flavors I have is the Ghost Nutter Butter, which on its own isn't that great. I thought it was going to taste a little more similar to the cookie, and it didn't. It's pretty much just like eating an entire thing of peanut butter. So I add those chocolate chips like I did for the coffee ice cream. This one so far is my favorite, the Chips Ahoy. You can actually have like little cookie bits, and I don't know what to say. Other than that, it just tastes great. This one, ISO 100 Dynatize. It's a 100% whey, 75 servings. Tastes exactly like the Fruity Pebbles cereal. And here are the macros. One scoop is 30 grams for 110 calories. And if my phone cared to focus, I'd be able to show you that there's 25 grams of protein in it, less than 1 gram of total sugars, 1 gram of carbs. Overall, it's pretty good. If you're really trying to lose weight or trying to just lower the amount of body fat that you have and keep your protein higher, I would definitely say protein ice cream is one of my favorite ways to go about it. And you can add like peanut butter if you'd like PB2. Regular chocolate, by the way, as an added side note, regular chocolate and regular vanilla are not amazing. If you do enjoy chocolate, I would suggest adding like tablespoons, maybe up like 7 teaspoons of cocoa powder, because for some reason chocolate protein powder does not taste like chocolate when you bake it into ice cream. It's probably because it thins it out way too much. And let me see if I can find it. There's one that I have back here that I haven't used in a long time because it ended up being a very bad idea for ice cream. There it is. I love Thin Mints in real life. This one's whey as well. But if I'm being completely honest, this one is just terrible. I tried adding more cocoa. I tried adding peppermint, other mint products to it to make it taste better, but it was a bust. And so I really don't even use it. The banana one is not that good. And I have a strawberry one back here. It's also really not that great. Same brand, Isopure. It's just not amazing. I'm not saying that those protein powders aren't good. Just specifically for this purpose, it's not really good. But that's pretty much it. And I wouldn't mind pausing.